Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the MATLAB IDE on Pelle, where MATLAB is a programming language and IDE is a program where you program in, and Pelle is an HPC cluster from UpMax. This is how the MATLAB IDE looks like. Here you see some code in the MATLAB language. And we're going to go through the steps. These are some links that you can find more details if you need. But I'm going to take a look at the procedure. Already to the right we see there are 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. We need a remote desktop environment, an interactive session, need some modules, and then we can start it. So let's start at the start. I'm going to put this to the... I can make this bigger, there. And let's start with step 1. Start a Pelle remote desktop environment. I'm going to use the website for this. What I'm going to do is I'll open up a second window there, and I'm going to go to the Pelle remote desktop environment using the website. And here I need to get my password, my UpMax two-factor authenticator number, and I show in more detail. It's described here. You can also use a local thin link client, whatever you prefer, but I'm going to use the website. My UpMax number 107397. There, and now Pelle is up and running. I am on the remote desktop environment now. Next step, start an interactive session. So we need to start interactive. I'm just going to copy paste this thing. We need to start a terminal first, or let's start a terminal first. Now to copy paste this thing, I need to put this here on the side, clipboard, paste it here. And now I can also here paste it. I'll be using a shorter time. I'll be using OneNote. And I'll be using another account. I'll use the staff account. There. To get an interactive session going. And I haven't gotten going, like this is what was me on the login node, Pelle 2. Here I am on a Pelle node, a calculation node. So now I'm on a compute node. Now I can do all the things I dream of. So I'm going to copy paste this command there. And run it here. Like we need to load the MATLAB modules. There, nothing happens, that's perfectly fine. And now I type MATLAB and the IDE will start. And that is all there was to it. There it is. There we have the login screen or the splash screen. That's verified that it actually shows correctly. And after that I'm done. Good. So that works. This is MATLAB on Pelle. That means I can conclude this video because I just showed you how to use the MATLAB IDE on Pelle. And with that, I wish you a very good day. Bye.